Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw Bubbles, one of the Powerpuff Girls. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, light blue, yellow, and light orange. This drawing is 22 squares tall and 23 squares wide. We start with the black color and skip 3 squares from left to right. In the furthest squares, we mark 3 horizontally. Down to the left, 2 diagonally. Down to the left, 5 vertically. Down to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the left, 1. Down to the right, 2 horizontally. Up to the right, 2 horizontally. From this square, up 5 vertically. Up to the right, 2 vertically. Up to the right, 1. Up to the right, 2 horizontally. Up to the right, 7 horizontally. Down to the right, 2 horizontally. Down to the right, 1. Down to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the right, 6 vertically. In this line, count 2 from top to bottom, and to the right mark 6 horizontally. From this square, up 2 horizontally. Up to the right, 2 diagonally. Down to the right, 1. Down to the right, 2 horizontally. From this line, down 6 horizontally. From this square, down 1. From this square to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the left, 3 horizontally. From this square, up 2 vertically. To the left, mark these two vertically. Here one. From this square down to the left, two vertically. From this square to the right, two vertically. Up to the right, three horizontally. From this square to the right, two horizontally. From this square up two horizontally. From this square, skip two squares down and mark one. Down to the right one. Up to the right one. From this square down to the right, two diagonally. Down to the right, two horizontally. Down to the right, five horizontally. Up to the right, two horizontally. Up to the right, three diagonally. From this square, up to the right, three horizontally. Down to the right, two diagonally. Down to the right, five vertically. Down to the left, two vertically. Down to the right one. Down to the left, two horizontally. From this square down to the left, three vertically. From this square to the right, four vertically. Up to the right, two vertically. From this square to the right, two horizontally. From this square up one. From this square down to the right, three vertically. From this square to the left, four vertically. From this square to the right, three horizontally. From this square, skip one square up and mark three horizontally. In this line, count 2 from left to right and mark 1 below. From this square, down 1. Skip 1 square to the right and mark 1. Now, let's color all the squares we marked. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to join our family here at Pixelados, called the Pixeler Club. To do that, just subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Now, let's take the yellow color and paint all the hair areas. Next, with the light blue, we mark one here, one here, one here too, down to the left 4 horizontally, three vertically here, one here, one here, down to the right 4 horizontally, up these 2 horizontally, two vertically here, one here, these 3 horizontally. Now, pixelers, let's color all the squares we marked. Now take the light orange color and from this square to the right mark 2 horizontally. Up to the right one. From this square to the right one. Down to the right 2 horizontally. 2 vertically here, 2 vertically here. Now let's paint all these areas. In the top corner, you'll find the link to my Spanish channel where you can find hundreds of designs with step-by-step tutorials. All the videos have subtitles, so if you don't speak Spanish, no problem. This is how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like and tell me which Powerpuff Girls is your favorite. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here for another video. Sending you a big hug full of love from a pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye!